Namaste. Welcome to today's highlighting event, Investiture Ceremony 2024 at Sri Ramashna Vidya Niketan Public School, Nandikara. The school cabinet formation and induction ceremony of Sri Ramashna Vidya Niketan Public School held at Sri Ramashna School Auditorium today morning.
Known for his unwavering commitment and outstanding achievement, has consistently spirit, embodies the values of diligence and respect in every endeavor. This team has continuously inspired us all. By the visionary leaders, they have consistently demonstrated tenacious dedication and has won the Best House Award in the academic year. Has consistently shown motivation and a determined spirit in all their endeavors. And that's Vivekananda House, known for its versatility. First, I would like to extend a warm welcome to the President of
Dr. A. Radhakrishnan, patron of Vivekananda Trust, presided of the function.
വ്യക്തികളെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് നമ്മളുടെ പ്രത്യേക ക്ഷണം
The director of State Excise Academy and Research Center, Thrissur, Mr. Gopakumar, was the guest of honor at the event.
ഗായത്രി മന്ത്രമൊക്കെ കേട്ടപ്പോൾ മനസ്സൊക്കെ വളരെയധികം ശാന്തമാകുന്ന ഒരു അവസ്ഥയാണ് ഉണ്ടായത്.
which embraces the vision and mission of our school.
Respected Principal Srimati K. Vijayalakshmi teacher administered the oath to the members of the school parliament. Captains and vice captains of 4 houses also participated in the oath-taking ceremony.
I
deeply grateful for the trust and confidence we have placed in me. First and foremost, I want to thank our
and shine. And I believe that with unity, respect and collaboration, we can overcome any situation in the future.
The director of State Excise Academy and Research Center, Thrissur, Mr. Gopakumar, was the guest of honor at the event.